You like your new toy that Grandma sent you?
Oh, it comes at the bottom.
Oh, look, he's like, hey, how'd you do that?
Look, Tano, like that. Right?
2, 3, let's go.
Say, Grandma, I like my train. Say thank you.
It's right here, Tano.
Tano man. Tano. Tano. Say, I like my train, Grandma. Thank you. It just came in the mail. And he was going crazy trying to open it himself. Now you see he's trying to figure it all out.
1, 2, 3, let's go.
He got really excited when he saw the lights come on and was smiling and doing what he's doing now. Tano, I'm trying to videotape you. You gonna run me over already with the train?
Tano, I got pictures.
DJ's putting it together. Daddy's at work. That's a wheel, Tano. That's a wheel? Tano, Christmas coming early for you, and you're going to fill up the whole house, and we're going to have to move out because we're not going to have no room for all your toys. Tano. Hey. Tano man. It's all about the train, huh? You're not going to look this way? Tano. 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 Huh?
Can you find the block? 1, 2, 3, let's go.
Look, yeah, you see it's a wheel. It's a wheel. Say, my big brother's putting my toys together.